What's up with it, man? CARVAIN TV. Man, you know what time it is, man. We got a lot of stuff going on. Y'all probably see that back there. Got a little something going on with some car parts. But we are here getting some stuff done, man. Something to the 73 Delta 88. Y'all know what time it is with me. Right now, drop down the comments, hit that like button, smash on that notification bell so you can get all post notifications for the 73 Delta 88 build. You know what time it is. Rule number 1, get the money first. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Let's get it, man. CARVAIN TV. We got something going on right now. I'm gonna try to keep this thing steady. I ain't been doing too well lately. You know what it is. He masked up. He ready for war. Delta 88 parts. Some Impala parts. I ain't never got no sandblasters done in no place like this. Let's see how this stuff come off. To that mirror right there, that mirror trying to take me down. So, man, we put a lot of work in on this thing, man. Man, this has been a journey for me. I mean, I'm not even going frame off, and I'm doing stuff that frame off people be doing. So, it's crazy. But yeah, man, a lot of stuff happening, man. A lot of new stuff happening. My dually build is next after this. So stay tuned for that. After all this stuff done, we going dually build. I got a dually truck that's a C30, the big boy truck. The big boy 84 dually square body truck. That build gonna be crazy. We're going turbocharged on that thing. So the Delta gonna be supercharged, Hellcat supercharged. The dually gonna be turbocharged. And then I got this big behemoth monster truck here. I don't know if y'all ever seen Big Person. We call her Big Person. She needs a lot of work. But she runs great. Drive good. Got a rough country lift on it. Had one of them ugly grill guards. I took that thing off. Grill guard. Took that off. Here we are, man. This thing is gonna have a lot of work done to it. It's gonna be nice when it's all done. This is gonna be easy. It's just paint and put different wheels on it. It's gonna be easy. New bumpers, different wheels, and doing some interior work. That's crazy. Big Bertha, man. That's next. When it's after the dually build, probably. I might do this one before the dually build or during the dually build, because the dually build is gonna be so intricate. It's gonna be a lot more work than that. This is gonna be easy. This is just paint, body work, wheels, refashioning the suspension, because that's all pretty new actually under there, and everything. So it's gonna be good. Let's go back and see how the sandblasting goes. I'm getting hit with sand. Now I got hit with some sand and some more stuff. I'm out of there.
The next day.
You see it? Man, so let me show y'all what I got back from the powder coater and explain to y'all what happened and why all these parts are going back to the, not powder coater, sorry, I don't know why I keep saying that, Sandblaster. What I got from the Sandblaster and why all my parts are going back. Alright, so I took this to Sandblaster. We didn't take everything off. I wasn't too concerned about these bolts. It's easy, I'll take those off. They'll be refinished or new. But hold on, let me see here. These are rubbed up against each other. Hold on, guys. I pulled middle here to separate them, and that ain't doing too well. That's okay. We'll get that straightened out later. I'll get back to Sandblaster. But you can see there's still color on here. That's the old color. This is the white that was on here before. Still old color on here. And it looks like that is primer under there. So when I got my other parts sandblasted, they came back and was perfect. They were like straight fresh metal. These have texture on them. is crazy. I've never seen that before. I mean, they're almost like shiny. I don't know if that's like a place where body work was performed. Body filler. It's a couple places. I don't know. I've never seen this before. So, man, my hand is shaking, dude. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so we actually gonna take this back. He's gonna re-sandblast all this stuff. It's been a couple days since I shot that first part of the video, and I had a lot going on, so I haven't been able to get back with y'all, let y'all know what's happening. But I didn't even look at him. I threw the stuff in the car and got up out of there. And when I got the stuff back, finally took out the car, I started looking. I'm like, man, this shit is trash. I took some of it over to my powder coater to see what he said. He was like, bro, I can't do nothing with that. My boy Huey was like, I can't do shit with that. So, man, look at this. It's got a texture. It feels like 80 grit or 160, whatever, 120 grit sandpaper, man. It feels terrible. So he was like, oh, well, I called him and he was like, man, you could just put a DA on it. Man, I don't want to fucking put a DA on it. I took it to you so I don't have to DA it. That's why I brought it to you. He was like, yeah, you're right. So they're supposed to get with me today, hopefully, so I can take this stuff back to them and get this all figured out. And then I will let y'all know what happens, man. Back at it though. Yes, sir. The sun's in my eyes. I'm at work. But guess what we got going on here? Let me switch the camera around for y'all. Boom. And the Sandblaster's back. And I was bitching about how the quality was. I wasn't really bitching. It's just I spent my money. I want the shit to be right. He back sandblasting. He actually working out. Yep. Let me take that. He about to turn the pressure up on it so we can get it going. It's a little smoother, but it ain't smooth like the other one.
One more time?
Yeah. It's better, but it's still gritty. Why?
See, is that? Let's show you over here. I think this is the last one, the last kind of.
Really? How'd they get it so clean?
Huh?
How'd they get it so clean as the other one?
What is this?
This is dust, guys. This is what they use to clean it. I don't know. I don't know if maybe, I don't know if it's not high enough. I don't know.
What are they using?
I don't know. That shit was clean, wasn't it?
Yeah,
That shit was clean, wasn't it? It's smooth.
It looks like they hand sand. Well, I mean, with
That never been sanded.
I don't know what they
It's
use.
sandblasted.
At least they use dust. I think they sell some kind of, it's like a dust. It's like a, so you wanna, I can't buy it right here.
Oh,
They probably buy it somewhere else.
damn. I don't know.
That's the last stuff they got, the last.
Smallest?
I can, I don't touch this one yet. I'll do a little better. Just stop it.
Yeah, I try not to step on it, my fault.
Yeah. I can do it like 3 times. Probably gonna go, but still gonna do the same kind of, how you say, the same kind of texture they saying got.
Yeah. It ain't gonna be smooth like the other one.
No, it's gonna be probably like this. Touch over here. I can leave it like that one.
That's crazy. Oh well, I guess yeah, just do what you can. I mean, I might have to take it back over to them. I don't know, because I don't know what else to do. Cause it's all. I mean, that shit is smooth.
This like this don't work. Too rough.
Yeah, it's still too rough. I gotta go back and sand it all down. See, that'd be good for his trailer.
Yeah.
You know, like I need to get all this shit off.
Yeah, I can leave it like this, like I say. Like this is kind of
You
smooth
think
right here.
maybe you need to turn up the pressure?
No, if I turn the pressure, it's gonna be, it don't make no difference.
Oh.
It's gonna be more, it's gonna hit it more slow, and then I'm gonna take it, I'll take it off.
That's what you're saying.
So this, what I need is like, I don't know, like, probably like this.
Like dust.
Like dust. Smaller than this. No, this is too big.
Yeah.
I've seen, I don't remember what I see. They have a sample, and I touched it. It was like a dust. I think the name is Atlantic. There's a forward.
Oh yeah.
So
Do what you can. Get as smooth as you can, and then we'll go from there.
okay,
I'll see what I can do. Cause I don't know what else to do. I gotta get it as smooth as possible. Cause he couldn't even sandblast that. I mean, he couldn't even powder coat my radiator support.
oh,
He didn't want to powder. He was like, bro, I can't. It won't stick. He said it was too thick. It wouldn't stick.
this one, that one over there.
The radiator support.
Oh, the
That
radio
big piece,
support?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me put it against the. I think it's gonna be better against the fan.
Okay.
So right here, I grab it, but it's not gonna be like good enough to get it right.
All right, guys. I got.